Assalamualaikum dear students, hope all of you fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Dalia Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I would like to take a physical education class for class 6. Dear students, our subject physical education and health. Our today's topic assignment 1. Today's topic assignment 1. Let's start our class. Students, look at the board. A chapter and title of the chapter. Chapter number 1, physical exercise and healthy life. Chapter 1's name, physical exercise and healthy life. Then lesson number and topics. Lesson 1, the idea of daily assembly and its necessary. Lesson 2, importance of exercise. Lesson 3, rules and regulations of exercise. Lesson 5, physical exercise without equipment such as push up, pull up, chin up, sit up, spot jump, exercise for flexibility, half seated elbow, running, jumping and throwing. Okay, our assigned work, what to do? Our assigned work is exercise practiced in my daily life and its benefits. And instructions, what is your instructions? Instructions are given below. Number 1, introduction, what is exercise, then relation of life with exercise, then list and type of exercise you practiced, benefits and decision. And decision is also a conclusion, it means conclusion. Okay, dear students, here are a sample answer. Our assignment task, exercise practiced in my daily life and its benefits. Just look at the instructions. Okay, instruction first one, introduction. You have to write introduction about physical exercise, about exercise. Now introduction, exercise means the regular movement of the limbs of our body according to rules. It is essential to keep our body fit and sound. Regular exercise keeps our body active and strong, and it develops proper health structure. Our mental and physical condition is also improved with the development of health structure. Then move on, what is exercise? Next instruction, what is exercise? You have to write what is exercise. Exercise is defined as any movement that makes our muscles work the movement of physical organs in a systematic way in order to attain physical and mental fitness and obtain joy is called exercise. It is an important part of preserving physical and mental health. Sports are also included in exercise. Now next instructions, relation of life with exercise. Relation of life with exercise. Okay, relation of life with exercise. Exercise helps build our body. It is inextricably linked with our lives. Regular exercise improves our muscles strength. For example, the school has a number of activities every day, including honoring the national flag, reciting the Quran, Holy Quran, taking an oath and a national anthem. And students do different types of assembly. Assembly is a type of physical exercise. So when the assembly is over, the students will return in files to their classroom in a disciplined way. So with the observation of the daily assembly, students will get habituated to do any work following the rules and regulations and discipline. Therefore, we can say that the relationship of life with exercise is very deep. So relationship of life with exercise is very important and it's day-to-day life. And list and types of exercise. Dear students, please notice instructions, list and types of exercise you practiced, and list and types of exercise. The exercise are of two types, without equipment and with equipment. If you read your book, then you find this answer, without equipment and with equipment. And without equipment exercises are push up, sit up, chin up, spot jump, body bending forward. Body bending forward and exercise for flexibility is the same meaning. A half seated elbow, running and jumping. And with equipment, throwing, Kathak Nritya, cricket, football, badminton. Some of exercises do I practice regularly. Okay, here are without equipment and with equipment of exercise, and some of exercises do you practice regularly, running, jumping, exercise for flexibility. If you want, then you add more information, benefits, then benefits. Now notice what is benefits. Benefits of exercise. Benefits that can be gained through physical exercise are as follows. Exercise controls weight, development of limbs, exercise promote better sleep, balance development of nerves and muscles. It can help you brain health and memory, acquiring social values. Okay. Exercise controls weight. It can help prevent weight gain or help maintain weight loss. Development of limbs. Physical exercise makes harmonious growth and development of body structure. Exercise increase the blood circulation of the body, increase heart capacity and increase digestive capability, immunity. Exercise promote better sleep. Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster, get better sleep, deepen your sleep. Balance development of nerves and muscles. The body organs grow very quickly during childhood. Mental growth does not always occur proportionately even through the body grows. To coordinate this, systematic body movement is necessary. It can help your brain health and memory. Exercise can improve brain function and protect memory and thinking skill. Regular exercise improves the blood flow to the brain and help brain health and memory. Among older adults, it can help protect mental function. Acquiring social values, and it develops our social values. The students need to follow the commands of the teachers or the captain in a disciplined way when they participate in games and sports and group exercises. Now next, our last option is decision. Decision, that is your conclusion. You can write a conclusion. Physical exercise is very important for us. We all should form the habit of taking regular physical exercise to keep us healthy and fit. It teaches us unity, patience, obedience, discipline and punctuality. Dear learners, as I before mentioned, I said that this is your sample answer. This is your sample answer for better understand. And if any problem about your assignment, then you can call me. My phone number is given here. And your assignment submission date, 28th August 2021, 28th August 2021. Within this time, you have to submit your assignment in our school campus. So hope you understood today's lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.